Welcome to a guided meditation for peace and relaxation. First of all, get yourself in comfortable position, either on a chair or lying down on your back. Take 3 deep breaths. Your exhalation should be longer than your inhalation. This is how you release tension, stress, or worry. Now put your attention on your forehead. Relax your forehead, relax your eyes, the eyeballs. Now relax your jaw, loosen up your jaw. Now put your awareness on the neck and the shoulders. Relax those muscles. Now relax your chest, stomach, and your back. Now feel the hips and the thighs relaxing. Feel the wave of relaxation passing through the thighs, knees, calves, and legs. Now imagine all the stress and worry leaving your body, leaving from your heels, and you are completely relaxed and present. Now take 3 more deep breaths and let go of remaining tension and feel calm and relaxed again. Be completely present here. Just stay as the presence. Just observe your mind. If it wanders off and starts worrying or gets anxious, just bring it back. Your mind may start thinking about any problems you might have or any challenges you might be facing. Just simply bring it back. You are simply here in this moment, the only moment that is now and all there is. Surrender all the problems. Let go of everything. Just simply be here. Just stay as the presence. You are an eternal spiritual being having a temporary human experience. Whatever emotions, which is energy in motion, comes up to the surface, just simply feel them and observe them without judgment. Just stay as the witness or observer of those emotions, feelings, and thoughts, and practice letting them go. Just let them go. Don't hold on to it. Just let go. Don't identify yourself with them. Just stay as the infinite presence, observing them. That's who you really are. Accept everything as it is. Know and understand that you are completely safe. Just stay as the joyful being and enjoying your true nature. Trust that everything is perfect, just the way it is. Just release and let go of trying to control anything. Trust the universe. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, come back to this meditation and listen to it again. The more you listen to it, the more you reprogram your brain to feel peaceful and calm.